Escape to a charming home on a large 1.5-acre lot, perfect for gardening, homesteading, and outdoor entertaining. This 3-bed, 2-bath home offers spacious living spaces, a large dining room, and a beautiful kitchen. With plenty of character and natural light throughout, the home also features a primary bedroom on the main floor and 2 additional bedrooms and a half bath upstairs, conveniently located near medical offices and restaurants. This charming home is a great find for anyone looking for a unique and spacious property with plenty of potential for outdoor living and entertainment. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.